Mrs. Oliver here. I'm going to go over your comprehension for your floppy book this week. We are on Unit 6, Week 2, and the story is called The Bully. You can find this on pages 396 through 399. A short summary of our story is that we are introduced to three boys in a middle school setting, and the one boy, Michael, is getting picked on by a bully. The bully's name is TJ, and he does things such as kind of verbally being mean and smacking books out of his hand and making him drop his books that he's holding. Then another boy comes in, his name is Ramon, and Ramon doesn't want to really stick up for Michael. He wants Michael to be able to handle the problem himself. So he gives this idea of you can attract more kindness with honey than you can with vinegar. And what that old phrase means is that when you continue to be unkind because someone was unkind to you, that kind of spreads that vinegar, that bad smelling stuff or bad tasting stuff. However, if you take someone who was unkind to you and show them kindness, sometimes that can turn around the situation and even turn around the person. So that's where it makes sense that you're talking about honey. It's sweet and it's smells good, tastes good. Our genre this week is realistic fiction, which makes sense because we have a school setting with boys and a bully, which does happen, unfortunately. Our comprehension strategy is to summarize. And when you summarize, you read and then retell in your own words, picking out the most important details. So if I were to reread this section on page 397, I would see that JT picks on many kids in school, including Michael. So he's a bully to many people. Then it explains the situation that Michael waited for the unpleasant moment to pass. Kind of tells me that this happens pretty often. He's probably getting picked on a daily basis. Our comprehension skill is theme. We are showing an interaction between the two characters. So we have JT orders Michael to show him his school books, and Michael holds them nervously. So he knows what's probably going to happen from the past of how he's been treated by the bully. JT causes Michael's books to fall on the ground. Then Michael shows frustration by kicking his own books. So we're kind of seeing how that negative relationship is kind of passing on. JT is unkind, that passes on to Michael. Michael has frustration by kicking his books. So our theme, kind of what our lesson would be, is negativity spreads more negativity. This also can connect to the adage that they used in the story that you can attract more friends with honey than vinegar. I hope this helped you understand a little bit better, and I'll catch you next time.